Guys, today I'll be making coated plantain. We have coated plantain. We'll be making coated plantain and unripe plantain. You can use this coated plantain to heat beans, vegetable sauce, fish sauce, egg sauce, anything. See how soft it is looking, shining. The ingredient I'll be using is 1 medium plantain, and I will add my butter, after that I'll make use of coriander powder. This coriander powder, I will mix it. You can add anything. You can add coriander, little cumin powder, just any flavor you really love. And I'll coat my plantain with it. Make sure it's thoroughly coated so that it come out so soft. The butter will enter the plantain and it will look so yummy in the mouth, and the flavor that will be coming out to be so lovely. After that, I will wrap it up with my foil. Use foil paper to wrap it up. Make sure your oven is on for 10 minutes before placing it in your oven. Then you will now make it for 20 minutes. Then I wrap it up. Wrap it very well so that there's no space. After that, after 20 minutes of baking, you remove it and see how lovely it looks. So lovely, it's shining, and it's very good. This same process for unripe plantain and any other thing. See how soft it is. Try it out and tell us how it looks. Thank you and have a nice day.